Hi everyone, in front of me I've got a Redmi K70 and let me share with you how to reset up preferences on this device. Let's start with opening the settings, and here we have to scroll down to find the apps section. Let's tap on it. Then let's tap on manage apps, so the second option available in this list, and now 3 dots icon in the right upper corner. Let's tap on other settings. And here we've got reset up preferences, so let's tap. Here your device is informing you what it will actually reset, so among others disabled app notifications and background data restrictions for apps. What's more, no worries, you won't lose any app data, so simply tap on reset apps and basically this is it. So thank you so much for watching, and actually here we've got the evidence that the app preferences has been reset successfully. Alright, so thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.